911 emergency calling. TextMe users in the US can now place emergency calls by dialing 911 within the TextMe app. By default, dialing 911 in the app will open your mobile phone's native dialer to connect to the local emergency dispatch. This will use your device's SIM card, regardless if you have a mobile plan through a network carrier or not. If you use TextMe on a device without a SIM card, or your area receives poor or zero phone signal, then you can switch the native dialer setting to off. 911 calls will now be routed directly through the TextMe app. To turn off the native dialer, simply navigate to the Me section of the app via the bottom navigation. From here, scroll down and click on Emergency Calling. Here is where you can toggle the native dialer to off. In this case, it is recommended to fill out your emergency address ahead of time to help confirm proper routing of the call. This is necessary because without a SIM card, there is no location information available to emergency services. So simply enter your address at the top of the screen, as seen here.